team contest is scheduled for one fall. On the way to the ring, the WWE Tag Team Champions, Paul and Evil.
Letting them hear it.
Their opponents, the World Tag Team Champions, Smasher and Max Demolition.
WWE Universe, letting them hear it. Hits the drop kick. What impact. And he dodges that one. Spear! Oh, what a painful kick. Nicely avoided there. And now he's back out on the apron. Oh, gosh. Careful. Sending the nest. Nice move. Oh, man. What an impact from that kick. The Dominator has just been an absolute force. A sharp kick. And he hits the drop kick. What impact. He gets out of trouble there. What impact delivered from that toss. Oh, look at that. Now that's how you hurt an opponent. Great reversal. The kick connects. Big right hand. This reversal there. Dominator counters it. Blocked. And Disaster takes advantage. And he hits the net break. And that was a disastrous turn of events. Ooh. Right on that leg drop. Countered by the Dominator. Oh, wow. And he hits a big-time leg drop. He was one step ahead of that one. Oh, that's kind of hurt. He was able to reverse that. And that punch lands hard. And the Dominator counters it. Oh, man. And there's the elbow. He goes for the neck breaker. A sharp elbow drop. Oh, no. Wait a minute, Cole. What's he going to do here? Oh, ow! And momentum turns 180 degrees again. I think I saw two fly out. He saw that one coming. A vicious elbow drop delivered with a lot of force. He hits the drop kick from an incredible vertical leap. The Dominator. Countered by the Dominator. And here comes the Dominator. Oh. And there's the reversal. Ooh. And the Dominator counters it. And Disaster takes advantage. A textbook reversal. Can he follow up? He's putting those educated feet to good use. He drops the elbow. Ouch! You can hear that in different time zones. I bet they can hear that one up in the rafters. Ow. Good God. Is he pressing a secret button to move that fast? I mean, those kicks will give you a good feeling. I can promise you that. And now. He anticipated that move perfectly. The quick kick. What a fierce kick. There's another great kick. He's taking control again. What a reversal. Oh, a stiff shot with the elbow. Reversal. That's devastating. And once more, momentum changes course. And the Disaster gets the shoulder up after a count of one. Oh, the elbow connects. And he finally gets out of the ring. Now. He drops the elbow. Quick thinking to avoid that. And he reversed it. Good move there. Ebb and flow of this match is just incredible. And again the feet fly. And that's a stiff kick. You hear how his leg connected? Oh! Well, he was able to reverse and get out of that. Ow! Ouch! a fool. I mean, what kind of buffoon falls out of the ring? You have to be joking. The ropes were pulled down.
Really? I didn't see that.
Oh, snaps. Oh, reversal. Oh, no. Oh, did you see that? That let him out cold. And here comes the Dominator. You see this, Cole? Just as important. Do you hear it? Oh, man, so powerful. Oh! He got it. And you can hear the fans willing him onward. And that was a disastrous turn of events. Block. And disaster takes advantage. Here we go. He's clawing his way back through this match. Oh, jeez. And he's in there trying to get something going for his partner. Oh, out of nowhere. Wait a minute, what's he doing here? Countered by the Dominator. Uh-oh, what are we going to see here? Wait a minute, it's not over yet. He's still got some fight left. Well, that didn't work. Uh-oh, trying to put him away. What a maneuver. He could pin his opponent right here. With two. The damage is definite. Incredible counter. Oh, wait, nice reverse. Man, did you hear that? Echoing throughout the arena. Two. Three. This might be big. Oh, look to that barricade. And that was a disastrous turn of events. He's got him hooked. And we're going back between the ropes. Six. Oh, look at the emotion. Oh, this isn't good. Tremendous move by the Dominator. He may get the 3 count right here. Two. What a reversal. And the ref starts the count. Wait a minute. Refusing to give in there. What sheer determination. That landed like a ton of bricks. And the Dominator. Will it be? One. Oh, and he saves his partner there. Man, that was it tight. That's it. He's done. Shoulders down. 1, 2. He breaks up the pin and the match continues. And there's the reversal. Looks like somebody wants hooking away. Oh, a reversal. Oh. Devastating. Just a devastating neck breaker.